Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's your boy Mike Morgan, DJ Jazzy Mike Morgan here. And I'm about to answer the very first question that we have got of this semester. Okay, let's hear a big round of applause for Emily Nikora. Good job, Emily. Coming in hot with the first question of the semester, and a damn fine question, I might add. Emily says, "Hi Mike, I'm a new student taking your Adobe class, and I was wondering if I need the Adobe program on my computer." Yes. Currently, I do not have Adobe or Photoshop. Let's fix that. Do I need these programs for this class? Yeah. You do. You do. Let's figure it out right now. So, what we do to get these programs is we go to adobe.com, adobe.com, Adobe. So at adobe.com, it's going to look like this when you first get there. If it doesn't look like this, it may have you create an account, and then it'll look like this. You might have to use your email. I recommend you use your school email. Actually, I don't know if it matters what email you use. Anyways, you're going to tell them you're a student. You're going to sign up for the student plan. If you sign up for the regular dude plan, it's $59.99 a month. If you're a student, it's $19.99 a month. You have to sign up for a full year. And then you get that discounted price of $19.99 a month. That's why I don't have books in this class, is because this is an expense. So, let that process. You're going to have to spend a little bit of money in this class. The good news is, if you can make your money back quickly if you do a job or two. You don't have to. So the way you get the actual programs is like this. See my cursor? See my cursor? In the top right, we're going to click this bad boy. Right there, that one. Then we're going to go down to More. Okay, make sure you go to More. And then we're going to go to this part right here. Additional apps from Adobe. Creative Cloud Apps. That one, we're going to do View All. That's going to bring you into a wonderland of applications by Adobe. These are the ones we need. This one and that one. Photoshop CC and Illustrator. You're going to hit the install button. That's going to install it to your machine. You're going to hit the install button on this one also. That's going to install Illustrator to your machine. Keep in mind, if you have 75 machines at your house, you can install these on all of them, and then you can use it only on one machine at a time, right? So let's say you had a computer at your mom's house, you had a computer at your grandma's house, you had a computer at school, and you had a computer at your vacation cabin in Fiji. You can use your one Adobe account to log into those computers, or any computer in the world, and download this and then use it. It'll just log you out of your other computer at home. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. So it'll log you out of whatever computer you're not using, log you into the one you are. So you guys are going to need these two programs, and that's how you do it. While we're here, I'm going to tell you, you will notice that there's about 20 other programs. We don't have time. We don't have time to go over all these programs. This is just an introduction to Adobe. And I am going to introduce you to Photoshop CC and Illustrator. I'm also going to do some light introduction to Adobe Premiere, which is Premiere, which is a video editing program that's powerful. Love it. I'm not going to give you assignments on it. I'm just going to give you a demo so that you yourself could use Premiere and Premiere Rush, which Rush just means it goes onto your cell phone. It's like a dummied down version of Premiere. So I'll give you a quick demo on that stuff, how to use that. That'll at least get you rolling. But as you can see, there's many other programs, and in your more advanced Mike Morgan CIS 73 classes will cover all these other ones in the advanced classes. That's all you need to know. That is all you need to know. There is nothing else you need to know. If you do need to know anything else, you just hit me up in Canvas, give me a little message, and I'll get right back to you, okay? All right, love you guys. Bye.